Another tool that I discovered as a part of this process to use is called JeopardyLabs. While I have played a Jeopardy game in my classroom previously, I have not taken the time to make a digital version. So this tool was really helpful. I created a game that I call Knowledge Buster that I use in my developmental psychology class that is about aging adults. So the tool is really easy to use. You don't have to pay for anything. There's not a lot of add-ons, which is nice. You can make it as many rows or columns as you want, and you'll see that I have one column here that I left empty. That does not actually show up when you begin the game, so you can choose not to use all of the categories, or as you can see at the top of the screen, you can add more rows and columns as you need. After you complete it, you can click Save and Finish. You can then choose the number of teams that you want to play. And then you can also choose to embed it into a current PowerPoint, or you can share it in multiple locations. You can also print it or go back and edit the tool that is used. I did find this really helpful to play, and will anticipate using this in my classroom. Again, it gives you guidance on writing the questions. So this one, the answer for my body is not the same, reacts less quickly. And the answer is, what is the reaction time of older adults compared to younger adults? I plan to use this game as a review tool for students after we've covered the content, so they will be able to better anticipate what the question is that we're looking for. And you can see after a question's been selected, the numbers fade out, so you don't have to worry about what's been selected and what has not.